Okay, so today we're gonna just, this is a hot and cold coming in for a cool shower. We're in the pump room, and we're gonna go and remove this old system here and put in a new Moen Posi-temp. This is what the outside looks like. We're walking. Yeah, we're gonna replace this dinosaur, which is all froze up. Get them something that's state approved, a Posi-Temp valve. Okay, so this is the back wall where we started this morning. We cut through some solid concrete, and we removed that old valve the best we could. We had to bring it out and swing it, 3 swing joints, soldered in 1/2 inch. And we come around. This is the valve all centered here. We already tested it. There's no leaks. As you can see, solid concrete over there. There was no fun. We're going to cement that in. We're going to spray paint it, make sure its copper is insulated. We'll patch those 2 holes and put our escutcheon on, and that should wrap it up. And there we have it. All trimmed out. And off. All done.